Want to earn thousands on YouTube without showing your face or filming a single video? Imagine running a YouTube channel that generates passive income without ever needing a camera or spending hours editing. Sounds too good. Well, this is YouTube automation, a revolutionary way to build a channel by outsourcing content creation and focusing on scaling your profits. In this video, I'll walk you through what YouTube automation is, how it works, and how you can start your own automated channel today. What is YouTube automation? YouTube automation is the art of outsourcing most of the tasks required to run a successful YouTube channel. Think about it, you don't need to be the on-screen talent, write scripts, or even edit videos. Instead, you hire freelancers or use AI tools to handle everything for you, from scripting to thumbnail design. Your role? Acting as the CEO of your channel, focusing on strategy and scaling. By automating the process, you can run multiple channels at once and turn YouTube into a passive income machine. How does it work? Choose a niche. Start by picking a profitable niche, something like tech reviews, motivational content, or listicles about trending topics. Research video topics. Use tools like Vidic or Tubabity to find high demand, low competition topics. Outsource scripting. Hire freelancers on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork to write engaging scripts for your videos. Create voiceovers. Use AI voice tools like Murph or Descript, or hire professional voice actors. Video production. Hire editors who specialize in stock footage or animation-based videos. They'll compile the content into a high-quality final product. Use tools like Canva or Photoshop for thumbnails and Vidic for SEO optimization. Once your channel is up and running, here's how you can start making money. The best part: once a video is live, it keeps earning for you month after month, creating a passive income stream.
To streamline your YouTube automation process, here are some must-have tools. Jasper AI for writing engaging video scripts. Pictory, an AI video creator that can turn text into stunning video content. Canva for professional thumbnails that boost clicks. TubeBuddy to research keywords and optimize your videos for better visibility. Murph AI for natural-sounding AI voiceovers. These tools will save you time, reduce costs, and make the automation process much smoother. Want to grow faster? Here are some insider tips. Upload at least 1 to 2 videos per week to keep your audience engaged. Focus on high CTR thumbnails. A great thumbnail can boost your views by 30% or more. Hook viewers early. Use a strong intro to grab attention and keep people watching. Analyze your analytics. Use YouTube Studio to track what's working and double down on those strategies. With these tips, you'll not only automate your channel but also scale it to a 6-figure income in no time. Now that you know how to automate a YouTube channel, now it's time to take action. Which step will you start with today? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more game-changing strategies to boost your income. And don't forget to check out my playlist for more tools and tips on building passive income streams. Goodbye.